आंध्र प्रदेश के वज़ीर आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने दिल्ली के वज़ीर आला की हलफबरदारी तकरीब में शिरकत की। इस मौके पर वज़ीर आला चंद्रबाबू नायडू ने बात करते हुए कहा कि हम दिल्ली में एक नई तब्दीली देखने जा रहे हैं। हम बहुत खुश हैं। अब दिल्ली में नए दौर का आगाज हुआ है।
We are going to see new change in Delhi, and also Delhi will be different Delhi from now onwards.
Sir, also the our party tenure now finished, and now the BJP tenure has been start. So, do you believe that the BJP tenure will go very smoothly?
Not only smoothly, extraordinary performance. Every citizen of this country will be proud of it.
What is your comment on Arvind Kejriwal?
I don't want to comment now. Today I am telling you, only wealth has to be created, development has to take place, then welfare and empowerment we have to do automatically. We are very happy. Now new era is started in Delhi. Excellent development is going to take place. For the last 10 years, it didn't work well in Delhi. Now it is a new era.